Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on my video. That means you are excited about the Walgreens beauty event that is going to be going on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday of this week. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I do have a giveaway going on right now on my channel. You can enter in the CVS haul video that I posted on Sunday. Chance to win some new tank tops that I have in my new merchandise line. So I will have that video linked in the description box if you haven't had a chance to check it out. So the Walgreens beauty event, there is going to be a paper booster. There's typically some digital boosters that float around, but I have not gotten one. No one that I have seen has posted that they've gotten one. So if you have, drop a comment, let us know. I know we got a ton of amazing purchase-based boosters. I did a Walgreens haul already and a separate video for some different scenarios for those. So if you still have yours and you haven't used them yet, definitely check out those videos. Some great scenarios for you on different ways that you can put those together for freebies and moneymakers. So stay tuned in the video. I will go over some tips, some different myths that I've heard over the last couple of months from different beauty events that I've done. And of course, 4 different scenarios. You guys can mix and match and put together the best scenario for you of what items you guys are needing. And of course, we can rack up on some amazing points. So here are a couple beauty event tips for you guys. That paper booster you can get at a Walgreens location that has a beauty consultant desk. You can just Google it and see which locations have one. They will have the paper booster at the beauty consultant counter. It will not be up at the registers in the front. The digital booster, it does stack. Not every account gets it. I don't know if anyone has got it this time around, but if you do get it, or of course for future beauty events, when you spend 25 on beauty, you would get 7,000 points back for the digital and 7,000 points back from the paper, giving you 14,000 points back, which is amazing. You can use register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Do not use points. There is an equation where you can use some points depending on your product value and things like that, but it's a little tricky, so I typically stay away from it and I just don't pay with points. That way I don't have to worry about any issues and risk not getting the 7,000 points back. So here are some myths. Last time I did a beauty event, a lot of you guys commented on my videos that the cashiers or the managers were giving you guys a lot of false information. So I wanted to give you 4 quick myths that I've heard and let you guys know what is real and what is not. So I have heard in the past that, you have to spend $25 on beauty, get the booster, and then do it again. That is not true. They should be able to just give you the booster. You're spending $25. Sometimes they have a beauty bag. I'm not sure if they're going to have beauty bags for this event. Typically they do. And typically that booster is in the beauty bag. So when you're spending the $25, they give you the beauty bag anyway. So just go ahead and make sure that they scan that first before you scan any paper coupons or anything like that, register rewards, whatever that you may be using. Number 2, the booster is spend 25 on beauty products, get back 7,000 points. And it's $25 of product value before coupons, not after. Some cashiers and managers have misinformed some of you guys and said the opposite, but that is not true. You can use the paper booster more than one time during the event. It is yours to keep. Usually they don't take it. You can always ask to keep it. I don't think it's super big of a deal, but you can use it a couple times. Typically, all of the paper boosters have the exact same barcode at the bottom, same numbers, same everything. And the digital booster typically only works once. That's what I've noticed. I've done the beauty event a couple times, and the digital booster only worked for me one time. Again, I don't know if any digital boosters went out this time around, but I'm sure they will next time. So let's get into these scenarios. First scenario we have, some of the deals are going to be matching online pricing, some of them aren't. So of course you guys can mix and match depending on what digital coupons you have. 90% of this video is going to be all digital coupons. So make sure you're picking the ones that work best for you. Check your coupon folders, make sure you have them clipped, and make sure you don't have any other lesser value coupons clipped. If you do, the lesser value one is going to come off. So you want to make sure that you unclip that coupon. You can go in your coupon folder and just click remove. Yes, you will lose it. It will not come back in your coupon folder, but that's okay because you want to use the higher value one anyways. So for this scenario, Wet n Wild is 40% off this week. So these prices already reflect that 40% off. So you can buy a liquid lipstick at $1.67, the 10 eyeshadow palette at $2.39, and the Wet n Wild foundation stick for $2.27. CoverGirl is buy one, get one half off this week. So you can buy a 4-kit eyeshadow at $4.49 and an eyebrow pencil. Typically they're $3.49, so half off is $1.74. Then L'Oreal Paris is buy two, get a $5 register reward. So you can buy a single eyeshadow at $5.99 and a L'Oreal Paris Color Rich lipstick at $5.99. Now that one is the online price. I couldn't figure out how much they are in store. Then you're also going to want to grab one of the Vaselines, the lotions, the small. It is $4.49. So your total for this scenario is going to be $29.03. Remember, your total has to be $25 or more, not $24.99, after any IVC coupons, any of those Walgreens coupons. So any digital that says with card, that is going to be a Walgreens coupon. For example, on the L'Oreal hair care, there is a $2 off 2 IVC coupon. So you'll want to make sure that your total is $25 after that coupon comes off. So therefore you'd want to spend $27 in that scenario. But for this scenario here, we don't have any Walgreens coupons coming off, so we don't have to worry about that. These are the coupons you're going to want to have. $1 off Wet n Wild lip, $1 off Wet n Wild eye, $2 off Wet n Wild foundation. I think we got all those this week, so those should definitely be some digitals you guys have. Check your accounts, clip them now. Make sure they don't disappear on you just in case. 2 of the $3 CoverGirl eye coupons. Some may still have some digitals available if you haven't used them. If not, there are some paper coupons from the 531 Smart Source insert. They were previously printable on coupons.com as well. So just double check and see which ones you have. A $3 L'Oreal eye digital and a $2 L'Oreal, it says L'Oreal eye or lip digital. That is the wording on that second one. And some accounts got a $2.50 off one Vaseline digital. So before you clip the Vaseline coupons, always click on the coupon, not the clip part. It'll flip over and it'll tell you what it is on. There's also a $3 off 2 digital floating around. So you want to make sure you're clipping the best one that you're going to be using. So total for these is $17.50. Here is the final breakdown. Total is... That's wrong. It's not $27.73. It's $29.03. Coupons are $17.50. You're going to wind up paying $11.53 out of pocket. To use any register rewards, you do have to have 1 filler item per register reward because all of the items in the scenario have a manufacturer coupon attaching. So you want to make sure that you grab a filler item because a register reward has to attach to an item that does not have a manufacturer coupon with it. So you can add some cheap candy, or I think the Arizona iced teas are 2 for $1 this week. So that would definitely be a great addition. Then I have a L'Oreal lip digital booster for 6,000 points back. 7,000 points back from the paper booster and a $5 register reward from the L'Oreal. Final cost is going to be free and a $6.47 moneymaker. If you have the digital, makes it a actually a $13.47 moneymaker. Sorry about that. Okay, Scenario 2, which I'm super excited about, with Dove body wash. So at CVS this week, the women's Dove body wash was not included in the best deal, but at Walgreens, especially during the beauty event, this will be a great scenario. So you'll grab 2 of them. They're on sale also for just $5.99 each. And when you buy 2, you're going to get 1,000 points.